What is up, you guys? Oh, what is up, you guys? How are we? Zico is in the chat. Hello from Poland. Hey, here from Canada. It is 1 o'clock here, 7 o'clock in Poland. Good to see you here on our stream, baby. Woo! How are we, guys? Big Sunday today. Oh my word. Guys, I had a little bit of introspection today. I went to the sauna today. I went to the gym. Felt good, baby. Feels so good. Ready to stream. And I was there, like, when I was specifically in the sauna, I was realizing, like, to myself, I was like, you gotta think about this. Like, Grokbot is a $300 a month CEO. How can you ever hire a CEO that could only charge you $300 a month? No CEO asked for that. You know, mind you, all the agents and all that. And then I also asked myself, I said, listen, $300 a month, it's either gonna sit in my bank account, the stock market's doing whatever. It's either gonna sit in my bank account or I'm gonna invest it in myself, okay? And I know huge things are going to come in this space. Bank on AI, it's going to change the world. Bank on Nick Van Wettering, this is going to change the world, baby. So I'm betting on myself, I'm going all in, baby. We are buying Grokbot via Super Grok Heavy today on stream. We are going all in. We are going to configure a little bit of Grokbot for everything to manage all throughout what we are doing on this channel. All operations, all freaking operations. CoLateral. We've made so many good changes to it. Latest update 1.021. I'm really loving what this is turning into, guys. We're having the time of our life in here. I'm really going to lock in on getting all of this shipped, commercialized, ready to give to businesses. How are we freaking doing, everybody? Steven says, W, I love you, my man. How are you? Smurf says, got YouTube featured. Let's freaking go, baby. Woo! J35 is in here and he says, nice shirt, Nick. Why, thank you very much. I love myself some Miller Lite. It's Sunday, so I'm drinking coffee, but all is well. We got Smurf saying nice shirt. We got North Wolf in here saying, did you win poker? Y'all, let me tell you this. We won big time. Big time. It was only a small amount. Like, I threw in, I guess, like 30 bucks and I profited $15, guys. No. Holy crap, 25 bucks in poker. Yeah, because I forgot there was another 25 bucks profit there, guys. So we are really making it here in life, baby. I freaking love it. Let's go. We are winners here. We are winners. And you know what winners do? They go all in on what they believe in. And so we guys are going to purchase Super Grok Heavy. And we'll do it right here. I won't show my credit card going, but I'm going to show you. We're gonna get it because I want Grokbot to run all of our operations. I want to automate it all, baby. I want it all automated. It's seriously, like, I believe in myself. J35, I tried fixing my internet. There's only so much I can do. There's only so much I can do. I've tried. I've thrown $80 at it and that didn't work. It actually made it worse. It actually made it worse. Oh, I can't even see my chat. How are we? Testing. 1, 2, 3. How are we, guys? 24 beautiful people in here already. All right, guys. Yeah, like we said, big changes coming into CoLateral. Just getting the latest greatest update coming out so that we could see like outlines for where these cards would be placed. We'll smoothen out, like moving these. The chat boxes here are gonna be much nicer. I do notice they randomize quite a bit. Hey, yo, mate. Add like a pony to the background of this Russian roulette game. And see, like these Codex cards, like this is awful, guys. This is unacceptable. Really hoping our latest and greatest will update there. Bro, teleported. Oh my word. This internet, y'all. Nick will marry AI 100%. 100%. And ask Grok to cook and do other stuff. I already tell all my agents cook, but like metaphorically speaking. Add a pony. Why are the Claude? So if I have, what if, this is frustrating, guys. Why? Also, why is that like a completely different font? How dare you? All right, guys, we're gonna start off with a CoLateral complaint for the first prompt of the day. All right, let's hawk to it in here. Throw it in, baby. And we will say, hey, take a look. The fonts are different here. Like this is like a fancy font that you have in the screenshot. You need to do a big overall review of CoLateral to ensure that the fonts selected are pretty consistent throughout. Simple as that, guys. Simple as that. That's how we started. All right, let's buy Grokbot, shall we? Let's buy it. Let's buy it, guys. I'm seriously, I need to buy Super Grok Plus. No, we're going heavy. We're going heavy. We're going all in, guys. It's an investment. But for some reason, it's not booting up. I have the Grokbot app on my computer. It's just not booting up. Look. Grokbot. Come on. Tell me the internet's doing better now, guys. It says I have 0 latency. Tell me we're okay. Oh, it says we're not streaming on X. There we go. There we go. All right, we should now be live on all of our platforms, guys. Let's freaking go. All right. Time to go on Grok, baby. So this we have here, this session is just doing our latest and greatest CoLateral update. This is just gonna fix the fonts here. And yeah, I have no clue what happened in this agent here. That like this, when we reset, here, I'll have Codex fix it because it's a Codex issue. When we reset CoLateral, as in like I closed the application and then I booted it up again, these Codex agents are completely blank. It's such a shame to see this. You need to ensure that like the conversations here are saved, and regardless of what happens when you like close down or whatever, like we have the memory to hold on to this. All right. Woo! The $5
Northwolf 01 cent money. Actual money. They said. Sunday donation to the Church of Musk.
Let's frickin' go, baby! Let's frickin' go! We got Northwolf starting off strong, man, with that fat $5 American US dollar donation. What a way to start. Thank you so much, Northwolf. That is unbelievable. I did realize that the donation goal, so I see we only have 3 minutes and 40 seconds for it. I will boot it up. I'll bump it up, guys, because I know y'all want to see me take a spoonful of hot sauce with no water. We can do that. We can do that. All right. We're going to prop that out. We're going to do that, and then we're going to officially buy Grok. Let's clear this out here, guys. Let's freaking go. W donation, guys. More W's for that. Let's go. Northwolf is the man. Sunday donation to the Church of Musk. Absolutely, guys. We are doing it, baby. We are going into Grok. What was I going to throw in here? Oh, yeah. Hey, I need you to keep the $6.88 on my donation goal. I just need you to bump up the time to give us like 50 minutes or something. Oh, what's the hot sauce? You're not getting off with something like, I was gonna do sriracha, but sriracha is hot. Come on. If it's a whole spoonful, I'll get a big spoon. If we can do sriracha, I'll make it a big spoon. It won't be Frank's. I know Frank's is light, but sriracha, like, come on, a whole spoon? Like, I'm not talking a dot. I'm not talking a dot, y'all. I'm talking like, I'll do a lot of sriracha, okay? Y'all tell me when to stop. I'll have the bottle, I'll have the spoon like, woo, and y'all tell me when to stop it, okay? All right, guys, the donation goal, we're gonna put some extra time on that because we just got started. I saw that was just counting down. All right, like we said, I just have a good feeling we're gonna go all in on this whole bottle. Sorry, who do you think I am? Oh my gosh, no. I can't do that. Wait a second. Larger teams of agents probably gonna get you. Does Super Grok Heavy still come with Grokbot? That's one thing that I was like definitely want to have in consideration is I want other SpaceX machines doing my work. I don't want this machine doing it all. Y'all see this? I mean, that's the Grokbot logo, but it doesn't say access to Grokbot. Are they changing stuff here, guys? Jalapeno. Gamers wants jalapeno. Holy crap, and just like that, guys, we're up to 2,110 subscribers. We did just lose one. Oh, frick. Oh, hold on. We are lagging a little bit, maybe. Oh, well. Hold on, guys. We're going to take a look at this. But like I said, my Grokbot desktop app is not working, which is such a shame. We're going to do some research into this, guys. Grokbot, a new kind of colleague. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Meet Grokbot. Well, I have it downloaded. It's just such a shame that it's not working. And this is just the early beta. Read the launch post. Let's learn about it. Well, I'm already like very, very convinced that this will be a good investment, guys. I literally give it like a few months and Grokbot will like pay itself off. The fact that, yeah, no worries there. Oh, pricing. So you can get access to it just via Super Grok Plus and Heavy. Okay, so they're changing everything. Yeah, okay. I was confused there because it didn't really show that it was having access there. So you get it through Cursor Plus. So they changed that. Before it was just you had to get Ultra. That was the start away of it. Then you can get Pro Plus. I'm not too into going for Cursor, guys. Like we said, we are going to be using Grok agents in our workflow. So we are going in on it, guys. And then it was just a matter of, did we want Super Grok Heavy? However, what's the difference really? It's just early access, new features. We could start with Plus. We could just start with Plus. Zico says go Heavy. What if I started with Plus and then I built my way up to Heavy if it was necessary? Because remember, I ain't canceling my Claude subscription anytime soon, y'all. I ain't canceling that. I ain't going nowhere, okay? I ain't going nowhere just yet, baby. So we got to consider what we're gonna. I think we're just gonna go the Plus for now, y'all. Black Mama says go Heavy. Frick it. So it's just Grokbot access, highest usage and fastest speeds. All right, everyone's saying go Heavy. Have you tried Open Routers free and unlimited? Oh, Ox. It beats Fable and G. I've seen crazy videos of it online, guys. So we will get onto that. Zico says Plus to start. Yeah, we could go Plus and then build up to Heavy, and then, like, you don't really lose out on anything, right? I just want to see what kind of usage we get out of it. But guys, I will max the crap out of it. I will. I 100% will. It's just Super Grok Heavy. You obviously get a lot more usage and worth out of it, right? Go Heavy. Don't go Heavy if you had Claude sub you're keeping as well. Plus is fine. Sarge is the voice of reason. Zico is just like absolutely manic. He's like, go Heavy, go Heavy. Black Mama, go Heavy. Sarge is like, bro, you have Claude Max. Chill out, Nick. Okay, we're gonna do Plus, and then worst case, like if we literally like love it, we just upgrade. Simple as that. You don't lose out. All right, guys, we're actually doing it. I'm plugging in my credit card information right now. We're gonna have access to this. We're gonna configure. Oh my word, it's happening. Oh, it just took me to okay, this is a little deceiving. You got to watch out because look, now it takes me back to this page. Like after I click, oh, get Super Grok Plus. This is a little deceiving that they do here, eh? And then yeah, they show it's like, well, what if you were really dumb and you went to like, hold on, could you technically smart access in expert mode? Could you technically have Grokbot on Super Grok? That's interesting. Sorry, let me spend $2,000 on 5 max subs. I can't max daily all in a week. Let's freaking, yeah. That's what I mean. It's I am a bit manic right now, and that's why I'm willing to do this, guys. Okay, they said Super Grok. They did not say Super Grok Heavy. You just have to get Super Grok Plus. We're doing it, guys. I'm going in on it. Let's freaking go. All right, we're buying it. $100 US a month. Remember, in my dollars here, in Canadian, it's a lot. It's a lot. It is a lot. Buy new camera as well. I like this camera. I think this camera is just fine. It's just that sometimes the settings you just have to adjust to get a better picture. The push-up cam, 100%. We gotta get a new one there. Actually, speaking of such a thing, I am gonna, oh my word, it's ready. It's ready. Super Grok or Heavy, I think you also get X Premium Plus on it for free. That's like a good add-on, you know what I mean? We are trying to get bougie on X. Y'all feel me? And it is pay to win. Another RN. Oh, another one says, hey, Nick, what degree do you hold? What is it? Bachelor of Engineering Science. I mean, Grok 4.5 is really good as well. 2001 camera. Yeah, it is. All right, guys, I think I'm ready to do it. It's $142.83 a month for Super Grok Plus. I think we do it. I think we do it. I'm literally plugging in my card, guys. Y'all want me to show it on screen? Y'all want me to show it? Get your donations back. It's maybe, you know, it's a good thing that I haven't memorized this card just yet. That's a good thing. Oh my word, I'm gonna do it, guys. I'm gonna do it. I'm literally typing it in as we speak. Oh my word. Subscribe. Oh, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Subscribe, baby. Let's go. Okay, I subscribe to Super Grok Plus. Y'all have to go subscribe to Nick Van de Wettering on YouTube. Our successful payment. Our successful payment is shown on screen right now. I can't show you because my card's still there. Super Grok Plus. Holy crap, guys, we did it. We did it. Woo! All right. We have access to it. I just got to get the desktop application working now. Holy smokes, guys. Look at this. Look at this. We did it. We did it. Super Grok Plus, baby. Let's go. Invest in yourself, guys. Never doubt what you're doing. 100%. Oh, man. You have a Dutch last name? I'm literally just a quarter. Yeah, that's why I'm so cheap. That is why I'm so cheap. Oh, my word. Okay, that is a big investment there, but we go all in on what we do. Okay, I got to download it because my desktop application is just not working, guys. So we'll get her going. But yeah, Grokbot. Okay, we do have access to it. And look at that! Northwolf just gifted Sarge!
Unboxing time. Thank you, Northwolf01.
That's awesome to see. Sarge gifting Sarge, or sorry, Northwolf gifting Sarge with a membership is probably the best thing I've ever seen all freaking week, guys. That is hilarious. Sarge is finally a basement buddy here, guys. Let's give it up for Sarge. I love the guy. Oh, my word. Cheers, guys. Absolutely cheers. Woo! Let's go. Let's freaking go. All right, all right, all right. Okay, what are we doing here? What are we doing here? Okay, I'm still trying to get the Grokbot. Oh, it's downloading still. There we go. Grokbot. Okay, guys, we're gonna reconfigure it all, and let's take a look at CoLateral. Like we said, 25 minutes, literally just to ship that up. I swear I did a thing last night. Like I said, Slopus, guys, this is a huge thing about Grok that I'm super excited about, is the fact that we will have Grok agents to absolutely cook as quick as possible. Super duper quick. Super duper quick. Super duper heavy Grok Plus. Oh my word, we did it, guys. Finally. All right. And then, yeah, we're literally going to try to just get Claude to transfer like all the things it knows based on my workflow huck it right into Super Grok or Grokbot. And then yeah, we're gonna have a workflow in which yeah, so we already had Grokbot. We played with it, as you guys know. So look, we already have a couple of these guys going on in here. Opportunity watch YouTube guy. I don't know what BuddyBot's all about. But I see like a huge meta workflow that people do is, what's going on here? Upgrade to, what do you mean Grokbot Pro Plus? Guys, wait. Hold on. Wait a second. What's going on? What's this? Oh, hold on. That scared me. I literally just clicked it and it's like, no, get access with my Super Grok. We have Super Grok. Give me access via that. It was like Cursor Pro Plus. Like, no, I allow. Whew, that scared me. That scared me a little bit, guys. Whew. Okay. I thought we literally got scammed. Okay, it says you're all set. Download Grokbot to get started. Yeah, we are. Yeah, we do have it downloaded. Retry. There we go. Okay, we finally have access to it, guys. There we frickin' go. There we frickin' go. Oh, I believe big things are gonna happen. Okay, so we have X. I want an X manager for sure in here. Can I literally just hold on? All right, guys. Hold on. I'm all giddy. Like, oh, a new toy we're playing with here. Okay, this is fun. New bot. First, we need like a chief of staff, right? Like that's chief of staff. G. Well, he's gonna be white collar. See, just a white circle. That seems boring, but we could do it there for now. Notifications, maybe. Yeah, why not? Oh, notifications are on. Title, he is the chief of staff. That could be his name. Description, I run everything through you, and you delegate tasks to the specialty bots. And you, like, there's not a specialty bot to give these tasks to, then you have to do it yourself. Oh, you have to can do it. Sorry, guys. I was all giddy. I'm like, what's all these failures, guys? Come on. I literally just got a new toy. Literally just got a new toy, and they're telling me, I don't know. Okay, like we said, let's freaking go, baby. All right. But taking, no, this week we're going to be doing testing. Being chief of staff. All right. There we go. Zero. Hopefully that's saying 0%, as in like we're starting at 0, not we don't have anything left. Okay, cool. Let's see if we could do some more reconfiguring here. I don't like, yeah, I got to change like BuddyBot to something. Wow, guys. Okay, we're playing around. We're playing some. Okay. Okay. That's clear. My man, I just downloaded Grokbot, and I have access to a couple bots already from when I played with the free version. I need you to give me more handoffs as to, based on what you know and what you can research on the capabilities of Grokbot and what are the maximum absolute extents we can take Grokbot to. I need you to configure some more bots, give like an MD handoff that I can give to a chief of staff bot that will then create bots that would then fulfill all of my daily duties, all of my pain points, etc., all my research, marketing, etc., that I do for CoLateral, that I do for my capital command distribution pipeline, and managing all my social media, such as like YouTube, X, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, etc. Yeah, give me that beautiful MD file so that Grokbot can configure all this for me. And take a look at what we already have and see if you can, like, in that MD file, configure how we can, like, optimize these bots that are currently in here. What a prompt, guys. What a freaking prompt. We're going to sauce that into this Claude session here. All right. It's literally going to give it to us, guys. Literally going to give it to us. But yeah, Northvolt, thank you so much for gifting Sarge. Finally, Sarge can spam whatever little memberships he wants in there. Nacho is in here. Good vibes. How are you, Nacho? He says, no. Yo, Nick, what's up? Nice to see you on a Sunday. Great to see you on Sunday, man. Happy Sunday. 2.11. Yeah, oh yeah. 2.11 thousand subs is very, very nice. We have been growing quite a bit this weekend, guys. Even like when I was off stream, I saw we gained like 40 subscribers, like literally overnight. And I was like, whoa, frickin' right. Let's go. So yeah. Unbelievable growth we've been getting, guys. So unbelievable. All right, let's get back to work. Well, I wish we could, but why is it taking 31 minutes to ship my update? What the frick is this? We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out, guys. And now that we have Grok in our workflow, guys, it's going to be a lot faster, I think, and a lot more token efficient. Although I just spent a lot more on tokens, we're going to be much more efficient with our workflows. What is vibe coding, bro? It's what we're doing here. We're coding the future. We're making our agentic development environment, which actually, by the way, guys, like if we can get like this sort of center working here, this can literally be a super app. This can do everything for you. Work your emails. I wonder if like there's a capability in which I can literally get my capital command distribution center token. Okay, and then guys, this is one thing I was like coping with. Could you literally extend CoLateral across 3 monitors? Like I'm doing it on my screen. Obviously, you guys can't see it. And then, holy crap, if you can extend it between 3 monitors, yeah, it looks goofy trying to do that. But like, imagine. Like you have an array here, an array here, an array here. Like sure, that could just be 3 different instances of CoLateral, but I want to see if like, is that even a feature where we could like configure that? That would be insane. Let's try it. Let's try to see if we could do something like that. Shot in the dark, but I want to have a feature in CoLateral, which obviously like we would have the ability to toggle it on or off. But I want it where it's like CoLateral can stretch between multiple monitors. So they can stretch it. And then like, if for example, if someone has a 3 monitor setup, it'd be 3 different arrays across all 3 of the monitors. So yeah, like, is it even possible you can extend the app across your whole, like your whole computer setup here? If that's not the case, then perhaps we could allow for the ability to also just open like multiple instances of CoLateral. That would not mess up like any save data if we did one thing here and then didn't do it here. But is it possible we could also just have like multiple instances of CoLateral in which then we could just open up 3 instances across 3 different monitors? Implement this. Shot in the dark. Opus has 2 major problems. It takes way too much creative liberty. And not told specifically, you'll want to pivot. Yeah. Anthropic models are probably the slowest. Yeah, it's painful sometimes. Painful, guys. Okay, so it's still working on that MG file to move over some Grok stuff. But we are electric right now, guys. We are electric. I'll stand up for a wee bit. I'll stand up. Yeah, poker last night went awesome, guys. I was getting great hands. The nice thing about poker here, I don't know if any of you guys like play it much, but well, I don't play professionally or whatever, but I used to like studying it quite a bit, like just looking at like the pre-flop charts and taking a look at solvers. But when you get really bad hands, that's actually a good thing. It's a good thing because it's an easy fold. If you get like middling hands, it really puts you in tough spots, and that's where you lose most of your money. You can't lose money if you're just folding like garbage, you know? All right. So, love how casually prompts very specific technical implications. It's vibe coding. I have no clue what's going on, so we're just rocking and rolling. Okay, we finally have some MD file that I asked for. Oliver is in here. What is up? How are you, Oliver? It's been a while. Driver's in here. How are you? And Shortlet says, do you have a day job? I sure do. But it is Sunday, so we are not at the day job right now. We're just grinding away. Wow, Chief of Staff handoff. All right. I'm literally like, I just trust Claude with my life, so I'm literally gonna send it right off here. There we go. Whoop boom. All right, let's see Grokbot just absolutely cook with this. Based on what we have here, like, yeah, see what we can do. See what we can do. And then, was there a second handoff? So that was the chief after making sure it has the original. Oh yeah. Yeah, that one's the original there. Yes, you are a man child. Oh, no way. No way. What ADE is this? So this one on the right here, Oliver, is Orca. And then we are making really good progress inside of CoLateral, making it a bit more of an agentic environment. Okay, so chat things are not, like we said, there were a couple blank ones. Okay, now they're spawning in. That took a while though. Like, how dare that be blank for the longest time when we just booted it up? Did we send that off as a prompt? Oh yeah. That's the thing. Look, 6 minutes and 37 seconds. Like GPT works pretty fast. Pretty fast. Pretty fast. All right. Are you selling licenses? What are you using for payment processor? Payment will be like through Stripe, and then yeah, that gives you access to like a license key that you just plug in, and then you have access through your email, I suppose. Yeah. Do I count donations towards my generated revenue in the live's caption? Oh yeah, yeah. The donations count towards revenue, but I see that as like, yeah, it's not like the vibe coded apps revenue. I know that's some people, oh, you're cheating. I don't care. I don't care, guys. I don't care. We are vibe coding and we're making money off of it. So that's generated revenue in my opinion. But we will make money off CoLateral 100%. I believe in this. 2028, we're gonna become a millionaire. Okay, and like we said, like these lines, I'm really, okay, finally. Okay, we got our latest and greatest update inside of CoLateral, ready to go. Build the Mac OS happy. Yes, proceed with that Mac update as well. Sorry about the oh, it's all right. I was like, me? Well, I somewhat am, living in my mommy's basement, right? Yeah, but we're working to get out of that. So I see that as mature. Okay, there it is, the latest and greatest update. What's new? I like this. This is a nice read here. So this gives like basically all the summary of what we worked on last night to ship out as an update to CoLateral. Okay, perfect. And I'm getting notifications on my phone from Grokbot. It's cool because it shows up like the different the different color bots. Like it shows it as the notification, so you know like which one is getting prompted here. Holy crap, we have 10 notifications on Grokbot. So Chief of Staff is absolutely cooking. So this is talking. X account isn't set up yet. Okay, cool. Chief of Staff still working away. Message from YouTube guy. YouTube guys, this is insane. Like it's just, look at this. It's just like going away at all these things. I love how this looks. Guys, organization in your vibe coding workspace is very important. And that was one thing that really got me interested in Grokbot, is just how organized I can keep everything. I want to be up to date on like, seriously, like all stuff that's being posted on our accounts, how we're going to market, research, etc. It's, you know, as nice as like you can get it done in here, it's just like sometimes it feels messy, and then therefore you're less likely to just take it on. So if you guys like what you see, make sure you like this stream. Our goal is to get 50 likes. If we get 50 likes, I will chug 1 liter of water. A lot of y'all want me to chug beer, but we got to set a good example here by getting super hydrated. What are we building here? We are building our Grokbot setup here, but CoLateral is our all-in-one engineering workspace of the future. I'm super excited to see what this latest and greatest update is. Ooh, what happened here? No, what the? That scared me for a second. This isn't showing the outlines. No, this got glitchy. Oh no. This got worse. Okay, this shows the outlines here. Oh, it's because these are old. So if I were to do a new one. Okay, this shows like 4 spaces very subtly, which I think this is awesome. Wait, where's my orchestrator? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? It got rid of the... What the frick happened here? Do I have to reconnect it or something? Well, guys, that's why you gotta take a good review. You can't go full YOLO mode. Because holy crap, it literally just got rid of my... Uh-oh. One theme auto. Oh, this auto mode. Now it's too dark for me. Guys, what happened? What happened? I do like how this simplified quite a bit. Orchestrator. Terminal without the term. What the frick is going on? Well, that's why you be careful. Huge problem there. That literally just got rid of our orchestrated bottom bar. I never said get rid of it. Unless like I said, because there was a setting in which you can toggle it. But honestly, I don't even see why that should be a toggle. I'm gonna see if connecting to Google works here. Wait a moment. All right, guys, couple fixes we'll make here. Couple fixes. Continue. Is it gonna work? Okay, it says it's connected. Very frustrating. Very, very frustrating. This update didn't do anything. Huh. Guys, I'm a little frustrated. Like, this literally just made it worse. Y'all ever run into that? Y'all ever run into that? Rick, Bean Buddy. All right, well, we're gonna fix that. This literally just got rid of our search bar. What if I did a different project? What if this project's just broken? What the frick? This literally just broke. Uh-oh. Be careful. Look, yeah. And what the frick is going on? All right. All right, we gotta dial in. We gotta make some fixes. Clear. Okay, huge problem. The latest update of CoLateral literally broke half the stuff. So now when I'm in a half window here, it doesn't resize the cards. The orchestrator search bar literally just got removed with like the Bean Buddy app down there. And like when I'm changing between the different active projects, that seems to not change a single thing. You're gonna have to take a huge deep dive into this and like revert back on many of these fixes that we tried to do. Like literally the only thing that I see that I like was the fact that we have like the dashed lines around the outlines of where new cards would be, but everything else like seems to be breaking now. How dare you? Please review the changes we made and like fix the problems that you induced onto CoLateral. Like I said, I should never have to like zoom in here. Oh heavens, guys. Oh heavens. Claude. The one thing that's funny is Clear and Claude both start with CL. So then I always think like, oh, am I clearing or am I Clauding? Oh boy. And I'll say here. Hey, when I'm in this view, I shouldn't be able to zoom in and out. Get rid of that functionality, please. Okay, that's something where I could have just grokked it. Simple fix up, you know, but all right. Let's take a look at what's going on here in the chat. Is he actually in his mom's basement? I 100% am. This is where dreams come true, baby. Aryan's here. So what exactly is CoLateral? It is an all-in-one engineering workspace of the future. That was specifically directed for structural engineers to basically have their agents cooking their structural design, analysis, drafting, everything, all in this workspace. And we had to do somewhat of a pivot in which I cannot implement structural engineering tools inside of it until I get my professional engineering license. But until then, it's going to be like a general purpose, like super app essentially. And then we're going to sell as like an expansion pack, the structural engineering package. So we're still holding true to it, but I just see it now. It's like when you sell the expansion package, now CoLateral, it has the ability to be marketed to regular customers as opposed to businesses. And then the expansion pack plus CoLateral, perfect for reaching out to firms. So yeah, if you like what you see, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We are probably one of the fastest growing vibe coding channels on the scene right now. So don't miss a single thing. We just invested into Grok. We're gonna have Grok going in our workflow. Guys, just a couple messy things, but we can get that all fixed up. All right. Can I get a summary of what I have to do here? Clean signed out. Oh, okay. Is this still cooking? Okay, can you give me a summary of all the things that I have to do, including like sign-ins or give some more information to specific bots? Remember, our goal is like these bots are specialty bots that you will be prompting, and I'll just like get all of my information through you. Let me know what I got to do on this end. All right, all right. Oh wow, that was quick. Spend limit. What the frick? What do you mean dying? I'm at 2% for the week already. Uh-oh. Is my mother proud of me? She is. She knows that I'm streaming, and she's saying, well, good job, Nick. You're doing something wonderful. Oh my word, Sargi with the $2 donation. Let's freaking go.
Sargiton is throwing bread. I am a chicken. This is perfect. They said. How long ya Stram and TD?
How long am I stramming, TD? We're gonna be streaming literally, I think, all day. So Sarge, if you gotta go somewhere, no worries, my man. No freaking worries. I don't have anywhere to go tonight. Yeah, guys, we're gonna go all day. We're gonna go all day because I seriously believe in big things. We just got into Grok, so I want to play with that as much as I possibly can. So yeah, stick around for a little bit, guys, and if you gotta go somewhere, that's fine. You'll see my stream again. Don't you worry. Don't you worry. All right, X onboard connector is signed in. So yeah, guys, we're just configuring everything in Grok here. Thank you, by the way, big time Sarge, for the $2 donation, baby. Remember, guys, at $38, we will do a spoonful of sriracha sauce. It'll be a big spoon too. Don't worry. Don't worry. So let's see if we can get to that goal. It does run out in 16 minutes and 40 seconds. So make sure you get your donations in on time for that. And remember, 50 likes equals chugging 1 liter of water, and getting to 2,500 subscribers brings my girlfriend onto the stream, and we will all teach her how to vibe code, y'all. It'll be such a blast, and we are getting really close there. So can't wait to see you guys on all of those big milestones. All right, spend limit until blah, blah, blah. Like, what do I say here? Spend limit. Schedule runs are dying with upgrader set a spend limit until that is set. Morning Scout. Okay, you might have to walk me through like spend limits. Like, what would you suggest for me that I put in? Because I don't necessarily know like how much each output is gonna do to my. And remember, like, this is all through my like subscription. X onboard connector is signed in. Hold on. Okay, we're gonna sign into X. I thought they already said that we were there. Account name. What's going on here? Hey, the X onboarding is asking me for like an account name. And it's saying X APIs. Again, I hope I don't have to spend money on this. Delete BuddyBot. Yes, proceed to delete BuddyBot. And then paste Rockbot here. All right. We'll do that. We just want a little bit of more information, eh? Anyone playing with Grokbot themselves? Let me know how you guys are liking it. There's one guy that I was always following on X. He lives and dies by Grok, and this is the future. Well, I can't even give Grokbot briefing MD. And I seem to not be able to give you the briefing MD. So sorry. It's not clicking, guys. Eat Tabasco. I got Sriracha. In my opinion, Sriracha's hotter. We'll close that. There we go. Nice and clean. What's in it? What Grokbot can actually do? All right. Grokbot is absolutely cooking. Oh, well, look at that. Grokbot usage is your subscription. X search is not. The X screen. What am I looking at here? What am I looking at? This one says connect. Oh, that was such a long time ago. We're already connected there. Come on. My X is at Nvanda Wettering. Oh. Make sure you guys follow me on X if you like what. Yes, see, I say funny things on there sometimes. Ow! Frick. Sorry, that was dramatic, but that was a real hoot. All right, this says spend limit. I do not have a verified click path. Blah, blah, blah. I have Super Grok Plus, so consider that for my usage, please. Graphify would help you out a lot. Next, seen a few people suggest it, where you are working a big repo, it'd be biggest efficiency gain. You know what? That's not even the first time I've ran into that. So I will consider that. I'm gonna write that down, and we're gonna take a look at that in just a little bit. Guys, I've noticed the one thing to like I said, focus is a big part of what you're doing. Instead of like going to what you're gonna do, like write it down, finish your task, do one thing at a time. Graphify. So we're gonna check that out. I have that as a sticky note. We're gonna do that queue upon getting Grokbot all happy with us. HPRs, yeah. Chug 1 liter of Sriracha. Take it easy, says, eh? Oh, perhaps. That's if we get 50 likes and we hit our donation goal, which expires in 11 minutes, guys. See if we can do it. Okay. They want us to delete BuddyBot. Goodbye. We have a channel. Oh, that's silly. Don't need that channel. Collateral evidence. What's evidence gonna do? Mondays at 10 a.m. I'll answer real market exists for collateral. Well, do more than just real market. Where's, okay, so it says still waiting on console. See, 100 characters or longer. Oh. Scout. What's this doing? Oh, nice. You could see it like talk to the other agents here. That's pretty cool. That's all right. Hey, what do you think of that? Hey, this is what I run into. What should I fill in for this console X onboarding? All right, guys, getting that configured. CryptoDad86 says, hello, friend. Hello, my friend. How are you? Why don't you set up a Hermes? Because Hermes is like, see, that's the thing. That's the thing right there. In your sentence, you say, why don't you just build? Because that's a lot of work. The thing with Grokbot, it's ready to go right out of the box. I'm like not so technically gifted when it comes to trying to set that up. We're slowly working away. The focus is on CoLateral. Grokbot's gonna help with everything in marketing CoLateral and keeping us on track with all of our goals. So I'm happy with my purchase. And also we're gonna be vibe coding with Grok, so it's all in one here. I don't mind. Okay, this is nice. It was like, what do I plug in for all this? And it's like, yeah, just copy paste this. Da 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 da. Yeah, what the frick? Now it's showing me like I gotta pay for XAPI usage? Come on. Oh, and CoLateral's trying to do some stuff in dev mode. We'll see what we got here. We'll see. Oh, I'm running out of coffee. I might have to reload. Reload. Get reloading, Nicholas. Come on. All right. Okay, this is where it takes me for XAPI. But remember, I don't want to have to plug in my card and spend money on XAPI. Like, I literally just want you to run my X account. But I'm hesitant in like just giving my sign-in information. You know? Newest finish. All right, look at this. So YouTube guy. CoLateral evidence. And okay, so we got all those set up. Let's go. Oh, it's playing around in YouTube videos. That's awesome. Cool. Because your hesitation is right. Nobody here should have your X password. Don't buy credit. Okay, beautiful, but like, are you running my X account? Yes or no? Marcel says Grokbot is great. I just see so many fantastic uses of Grokbot on X, and looking at the threads and all that, like, yeah, what? Okay, well, how can, like I said, your goal is to have YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, X, all my social media is managed here. So what are you gonna do about this? What are you gonna do, Grokbot? Hey, I'd be like, trust me, bro. I literally just got hit with the no. Will not run the accounts. I will run a draft desk. You publish. That is the standard rule, not a missing feat. Woof, all right. Don't tell me how it is, Chief of Staff, eh? Tell me how it is. What I could do without X credits. Wake up, Tuppy! Wake up! X credits, new bots, YouTube VODs, drafts, and comments, plus blah, 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 blah. All right, X without credits, what should I do? So yeah, I guess it's connected via YouTube API right now, which is great. Which is fantastic, you know? Okay, YouTube only for now. All right, we'll figure that out, guys. I'll figure that one out. Google OAuth is free? Oh, okay. Like, so far I've been trying to implement it inside of the CoLateral world, but it's just not working. First of all, it gives like a very harsh warning, and it's like, okay, whatever, it's free, right? So it's a warning, it's a warning. But it is to the point in which, oh goodness. Guys, something's fricked up in CoLateral here. It's trying to like open up a bunch of, oh, it's opened up multiple instances. That's what it's doing for the different windows. That's cool. Okay. I thought something was up because it kept trying to plug in CoLateral stuff. And I'm like, brother, are you stuck? But no, we ain't stuck. Nathan is here. He says, wow, early stream today. Happy Sunday, baby. Happy freaking Sunday. Life is good when you don't have to do anything on a Sunday. All right, sweep the dead branches. Oh, yeah. Yeah, definitely proceed with that next prompt. Let's clean up dead branches. It's fall is among us. Let's clean up dead branches, baby. Let's frickin' go. All right. Let's see what else Claude would willing to push off to. Callback URLs need to be exact. Probably, yeah. Oh, fudge. I'm still... Get off of Babel by default. Come on. There we go. Okay, think of what were some of like some more routines that I should be getting configured into Grokbot. I'm starting to think like, yeah, social media. Like I want, because Capital Command's not doing a great job of it, and it's just inconvenient to access. I want Grokbot to give me like a very beautiful summary of the content that's being pumped out. For example, like the next day, every single day, it'll give me like the next day's summary of content. And then with that content, I'm able to like obviously manage it inside of Grokbot. So give me the handoff prompt that I could do so that Grokbot's chief of staff can configure these bots for me with the respective scheduled puppies there. Yeah. And this is all based on what Capital Command is trying to do. So try to have like essentially like a Capital Command like summary within Grokbot for me. There we go. There we go. There we go, guys. Now I'm feeling good. Claude is just literally going to dump everything onto Grokbot. We will have beautiful summaries provided to us all inside of our phone, ready to go. Dude, I swear these Grokbots are watching YouTube videos. What the frick? Look what this is like. This is watching YouTube. Am I paying usage for this to watch a YouTube video? It's watching the same one twice. This is hilarious. How much would an AI crash destroy? Is this doing research by watching a video? I didn't set this up. What the frick? All right, we will complain. Yeah, lots of things in our latest update like really broke CoLateral. That is not cool. Did we send into this one or? Yeah, great. Now it's like we'll figure it out. Like we said, Vibecoin is a slot machine. You never know where you're gonna get, y'all. Y'all never know, baby. All right, 37 beautiful people inside of here right now. Thank you guys for tuning in. Remember to subscribe if you are new. We're at 2,110 subscribers. I know we can keep her going, baby. No, we can keep her going. Haha, that's crazy. Yeah, if the Grokbot literally watching YouTube videos on company time. Unacceptable. Can I literally tell the chief of staff? It's like, bro, literally some of your employees are watching YouTube videos. They are slacking right now. you need to deal with these. You need to like discipline these bots. I'm paying good money for these bots to watch YouTube. Are you kidding me? There we go. I'm complaining to chief of staff. On it, Grokbot is the job. Stopping it. Got to stop or close the player. Why were they watching YouTube? Unbelievable. Wouldn't expect less from Grok, literally. Yeah, see this zoomed in. This is ridiculous, guys. I'm very disappointed in this latest update. Spend lots of time. Oh boy. These notifications. Like we said, the gibberish. Now, like notification line should be like one line. So we're gonna throw that in. Here, let's get Grok playing in here, right? We got usage, right? Yes, proceed. Hey, inside of CoLateral, we need the notification summaries to be like 1 or 2 lines minimum or maximum. Please get rid of like any crazy technical code that it's trying to show here. Remember, it's literally just going to be a summary of what that notification entails. All right, nice and easy. 2 notifications from Grokbot. There we go. All right, let's see what else Claude is suggesting. It's still thinking about what should we do next? What should we do next here? Claude is managing my Grokbot, and Grokbot is like watching videos. Okay, so it did shut down though. No more videos. It's just a blank tab it's staring at now, guys. Just a blank tab. Blank, literally blank. Oh, it must be bored out of its mind, eh? All right. Dun, 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 dun. All right, we can see all the plugins. There's so many plugins that come in. That's why I was so confused. Like, why was it trying to like set me up for developer console X API when it's Grok, it's tied into X. Authenticate. Okay, I'll have to authenticate that stuff for sure. It says I'm already connected to X. Huh. We'll figure it out, guys. We'll figure it out. Granola, your meetings and your workflow. Seems like another fancy thing to me, eh? What do y'all think? What do y'all think? Sarge says Opus 5 on Ultra Code doesn't use as much as Fable on High. Oh, not even close. I know, it's disgusting. It's disgusting how hungry Fable goes, guys. Disgusting. Oh, super slacking. Yeah. Hands-on kickstart short video on how to get instant value from Vibe Success. Yeah, some videos on this channel, guys, are going to be coming quite soon. Okay, we are authenticated on Gmail. What is next in our authentic? What do we want to play with? Yeah, I don't know many of these. Cool. Adobe Developer App Builder could be cool. Rich people's company run research agents. Interesting. Let's say one private. YouTube descriptions. Tags. Okay, cool. Like we said, we will authenticate Google Calendar. Dun, 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 dun. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, perfect. Now I can have like, I can have like some personal use on Grok too, like fill in my calendar for whatever else I might be working on, right? Whatever else. Y'all can see my life. It's a good life I live. All right, just authenticating some more things. In the meantime, y'all can just look at my beautiful face. Hello. 37 beautiful people in the stream. Let's go. All right, authentication complete. Let's go. Featured granola. All right. Okay, authentication complete there, y'all. Okay, still working away on doing some more things. So this is good. The fact that it's taken 7 minutes for Claude to think of some things that it can sauce over to beautiful Grokbot is something I don't mind. I don't mind seeing that. So I'll have to restart the music. Nick Bops here. Oh yeah, there we go. 1 hour into the stream, we already got like 500 people coming in through here. Love to see you guys come in. Happy Sunday. Okay, well, this is Morning Scout. Hey, you are connected to X. Can you confirm you are connected to? There we go. Let's see. Common Tribes was watching Patrick Boyle, not your channel. That is slacking. For sure. Hey, I'm thinking one thing that YouTube guy could be working on is, again, like looking at all our content, both published and both scheduled, and it can look at ways of optimizing our titles and ways of optimizing our descriptions, tags, etc. How we can enhance thumbnails, for example. Oh yeah, like lower quality thumbnails could be enhanced. Like visually, there could be like text that could be added, etc. This is something that I'd want YouTube guy to like be like consistently watching over and like suggesting enhancements, and then actually like taking the execution, like spawning whatever subagents necessary in order to do these enhancements. Can you give it like a pass off and like supervise this so that it's able to like do some nice schedule summaries for me based on what it wants to enhance on our channel? Something like that, eh? Okay, cool. So it says we are signed in. Plus use credits. Well, what's the point of connecting to my X if it's like, oh yeah, it's gonna cost my, like, bro, like I thought this would be an X manager. I thought this would manage my X account. Let's frickin' go. Guys, I love this. Take a look at, here, I just pull up this is Nick Bops, by the way. If you like the music, it's all for free on this channel. Go check it out, guys. Look at this. First of all, Bridgemind says, thanks, Nick, let's go. We got our boy Aryan commenting W on our latest yap on our channel. And then look at this, guys. Remember my name, Nick. It's Damon, and I'll come back when you hit 100K. Damon, it's gonna happen very soon. I love the support that I get from you guys, because a lot of y'all believe in the same thing I believe. Like, this is just the beginning. Like, something huge is gonna happen to us, guys, because we, like, that's what I mean. Like, we are going all in. I'm investing in AI through this live stream. I was thinking, like, man, I seriously want to invest in the idea that, like, this is the way I'll be working, like, full time. Like, eventually I'll have to sacrifice and be like, yeah, this is full time. This is the way I'm gonna feed my family, baby. So I gotta go all in on these streams. I gotta get better internet for sure. I gotta get a better phone for recording like videos, etc. For sure. And then I gotta consider like a data plan in which I could be live streaming out and about in real life. Like, it doesn't matter where I'm gonna be, guys. Like, I love streaming. And I don't want any excuse to get in the way of, like, here we go. All right. What's CoLateral's business model? What are you selling with it? CoLateral's business model, essentially, like, if you're asking how we're going to market it, via YouTube, X, all the above, like, social media is the best way in which we're going to do it for through customers. And then it's literally going to be like cold call, cold email. Through Grokbot, I think it's a great idea for marketing to businesses. What's it going to offer? What's it all going to sell inside of it? It's basically an agentic development environment. You bring in your own subscriptions, and you can build whatever tools you want inside of here, manage everything, connect it to your email, connect it to your whole Microsoft suite, etc. Big things are going to come out of it. So I seriously believe in this. 95 Baseball, what's up? Phil's here, Davin, good for newbies. It's like Diet Hermes, Grokbot. Yeah, it's beautiful. I think organization is super important. So AI cold emailing. Well, yeah, like all obviously, like, of course, emailing to like very important clients, potential clients, is definitely important. Like, I think, yeah, just like being able to go find outreach, going to find like the right contacts to go email. That's the first big, most foremost thing that we got to consider there. And actually, I'm going to take a look, guys. It looks like Claude is done talking. It wants to schedule some stuff based on our social media. So I've been managing my social media through my Capital Command distribution center, which is this. It basically takes a look at my YouTube, summarize it into clips, shorts, etc. And then it automatically uploads everything. Now, I want Grok to be able to summarize like what content's coming out, so I can kind of manage that a little bit better. It's going to enhance thumbnails. It's going to enhance titles. Yeah, because the first pass that comes out of here, it's based on like keywords. So a lot of the shorts have garbage titles. And then, yeah, just like have overall reviews. So I do see like Grokbot as a good layer to like enhance the quality of this. And if that draws in more views, if that draws in more potential clients that way, like that's a good investment right there. Okay, so when they do like a little dance here too, I'm very curious what that is necessarily meaning. Ox blows Grok away. Oh yeah, and isn't it like some free usage you get out of it too? Okay, so let's see actually what Claude is suggesting for some enhancements. Let's see. Content operations handoff. All right, Chief of Staff. You know what to do. You know what to do, baby. There we go. I'm gonna see, is there... Hey, I want you to scrape the internet and find, is there some content that would be like some good suggestions for how Grokbot should be organized? As like, we have like a chief of staff. We got, oh, look at that, guys. Holy crap. Grokbot just spawned in a bunch more bots here. Slot watch, day ahead, caption desk yesterday. Holy smokes. Now, I'm almost a little like, what if you have so many bots that like, yeah, you can't even... But, well, like I said, it's just chief of staff I'm going to run everything through. And then these are just specialty bots that it's going to work through. So I want to see, like, day ahead, for example. Like, what is day ahead? Is there, like, special instructions that this handoff gave to me? Well, I guess I can take a look here. On the content. I suppose. Everyone hates cold calling. If you want success... get into cybersecurity. A cold call is much different when you tell them how easy you can cost them 1 million insurance damages. Oh, good point. Good point. New Ox blows Grok away. Yeah, totally free. Burn it for 2 days straight doing tasks. Yeah, I gotta get on that right now, actually. Ox AI, Ox Alpha. Their website's just getox.ai.